Hello, Google review team. I'm Evan, the creator of newDay, and I'm going to demo my product for verification. So here's the home screen. As you can see, there's a link to the terms of service and privacy policy. Uh, there's terms, and privacy also has a section in it that specifically addresses how we would use the Google Calendar integration and provide the data from the user. So back on the home page, I'm going to sign up. So this sign up is just a standard Firebase integration login. It's not requesting any additional scopes. It's just the standard. So when I log in here, it should automatically sign me in actually. I've already signed up there. So now what I want to show is the integration to Google Calendar. So I'm using an incremental authorization approach here. You go into here, there's an integration where I briefly explain how the newDay is going to use Google Calendar with a link to the privacy policy in case they want to read more. And then here I can actually authorize with Google for the incremental authorization permissions. So this is the screen. As you can see, it has the correct newDay link. There's a link to the privacy policy, the terms of service. The URL is accurate to my app's ID, so I can choose this. And of course, because it's not verified yet, I have to go through this process. So here I can allow this and allow. Okay, great. So now that I've done that, I will demonstrate the actual functionality of the integration. So first of all, I'll refresh the page so that you can see how I use the read permission to read in the user's Google Calendar events and overlay them onto their newDay. newDay is a type of calendar, so basically I'm integrating their Google Calendar with their newDay calendar. So here you can see my two events. I can click into those events, view them, the details coming from Google. I can click through to view it on Google. And you can see that they're lining up with the correct times that they're happening. So as a part of my application, there's an element of basically you set your intention for each of these 100-minute long time blocks during the day. And so I thought it would be helpful for my users if they're able to export those intentions to their Google Calendar so that whenever they have access to their Google Calendar, they can also see the intentions that they set for the day. So that's the integration here. Basically, you can export this day's intention to gcal, done, okay, and then going over to my Google Calendar, here I can see that those events have all been exported now. It's created a new calendar that I can easily hide so that it doesn't interrupt their main primary calendar. And then I've just created quite a few events into my user's Google Calendar, so I also wanted to give them an easy way to remove them. So I can also clear this day's intentions from Google Calendar. If I do that, it'll clear it. And then coming back in here, let's say I refresh this page, you'll see that those events have now all been cleared. So that's the totality of the functionality that I'm using with Google Calendar, and I appreciate your time and attention. Thank you very much.